Good. All right, everyone, let's begin the class. So yesterday I taught you the use of why. You might be remembering that all the uses, all the formats we completed of why. It is very nice question word used for knowing the reason, right? And it is used as an expression also when we put short forms with why, like why don't you go, why isn't she coming, why won't you come in function. These type of sentences are there. Okay, so let us do little practice with why and all other question words as well as some topics, basic topics. Okay, then we will go for new topic. All right, so how would I speak and how would you speak कि दीपा कहाँ है, इसको कैसे बोलेंगे?
Where is Deepa?
दीपा, वेयर इज दीपा? मुझे नहीं पता वो कहाँ है.
I don't know where is she.
वेयर इज शी नहीं बोलेंगे यहाँ पर, वेयर शी इज बोलेंगे. ठीक है, आई डोंट नो वेयर शी इज. ओके, आई डोंट नो वेयर शी इज. क्या वो आज एब्सेंट होंगी?
Will she absent today?
Okay, Arjun, absent is no action, right? So before no action you are to put be. Will she be absent? Okay, will she be absent today? वो शायद absent होंगी आज.
She may absent.
Again, absent is no action, you have to put be. She may be absent today. Okay, she may be absent today. क्या वो कल present थी? क्या वो कल present थी? Present is no action as like absent. Absent की तरह ही present भी एक no action है. So with no action we have to put be. But the problem is we are talking about past. In past we cannot directly put be. So the form of be will other, and Deepa is third person. So it be putting was Deepa. Was Deepa absent yesterday? Was Deepa present yesterday? Okay, this will be the sentence. Was Deepa present yesterday? हाँ वो कल present थी.
Yes, she was present yesterday.
Yes, she was present yesterday. Okay, तो आज क्या हो गया है उनको?
Then what happens today?
What happened with her today? What happened with her today? मुझे नहीं पता.
I don't know.
I don't know. आप उनको contact कर लो.
You can contact her.
You contact her. No need to use can. You are ordering. Okay, you contact her. मैं क्लास के बाद उन्हें contact करूंगा.
I will contact him after class.
Him, her. Deepa, we were talking about you. So for Deepa, we will use her. I will contact her after the class. Okay, I will contact her after the class. वो तो आ चुकी हैं क्लास में.
She has already
He has reached class.
She has come in class. She has joined the class. She has connected. Okay, we can say like that. She has connected. Connect कर चुकी हैं. अब हमें उन्हें कांटेक्ट करने की आवश्यकता नहीं है.
There is no need to contact.
There's no need to contact her, or we can say we don't need to contact her now. We don't need to contact her now. Okay. ये लेट क्यों हो गई हैं? ये लेट क्यों हो गई हैं?
Why she is late?
Why is she late? Why, then is will come, then okay, doer, after the doer late will come. Okay, why is she late? Why is she late today? Why is she late today? ये किसी काम में व्यस्त थी. ये किसी काम में व्यस्त थी.
She is busy with some work.
She was busy in some work. She was busy in some work. क्या कर रही थी ये?
What was she doing?
What was she doing?
What was she doing? What was she doing? ये स्नैक्स ले रही थी. ये शाम का नाश्ता ले रही थी. स्नैक्स ले रही थी.
She was taking snacks.
Snacks. She was taking snacks. She was taking snacks. Okay. She was taking snacks. इनको लेट नहीं आना चाहिए.
He should not be come late.
No, come is already there. Why you are using be? Come is already there. Come is an action. She should not come late. If you are removing come, then you can put be. She should not be late. Both cannot come together. I already told when I was teaching you the use of be. Be is an action. Okay, so an action cannot come with another action. So she should not be late. This should be the center. Otherwise, you can say she should not come late. Okay. ये पंक्चुअल हैं, ये समय की पाबंद हैं, सिर्फ आज ही लेट हुई हैं.
She is punctual.
She is punctual.
Only today she is late.
She is late
Only today she is late. She is very punctual. Only today she is late. Only today she is late. आपको कैसे पता?
How do you know?
How do you know?
Okay, मैं इनका क्लासमेट हूँ.
I am her
I am
classmate.
I am her classmate. मैं अपने सारे classmates को observe करता हूँ.
I observe my
all the classmates. I observe my all the classmates.
all classmates.
Okay, good. तो क्या आप पढ़ाई लिखाई नहीं करते हो?
So
क्या आप पढ़ाई लिखाई नहीं करते? पढ़ते वढ़ते नहीं हो? ऑब्जर्व ही करते रहते हो?
so you do not study?
Don't you study? Don't you study? You only observe your classmates. Don't you study? You only observe your classmates. Observation भी एक तरीके की पढ़ाई है. Observation भी एक तरीके की पढ़ाई है.
Observation is also a study.
Observation is also kind of a study. Observation is also kind of a study. Okay. जब हम साइकोलॉजी पढ़ते हैं तो हम ऑब्जर्व ही करते हैं दूसरे को.
When I study psychology,
we observe others when we study psychology. We observe others when we study psychology. लेकिन ये तो आपकी इंग्लिश की क्लासेस हैं.
But it's your English class.
Your English
But
class.
these are the classes of English. But these are the classes of English. तो क्या हुआ? तो क्या हुआ?
So what happened?
So what? No need to apply happened. So what is an expression should be used at this situation. Okay. So what? तो क्या हो गया? So what? हम यहाँ पर एक दूसरे से बातें करते हैं.
We are talking with
each other.
करते हैं, कर नहीं रहे हैं, करते हैं. This is part of our life. We talk to each other here. We talk to each other here. Okay. क्या बात करते हो आप?
What do you talk in class?
What do you talk about in the class? What do you talk about in the class? हम current issues को discuss करते हैं.
We discuss current
issues.
Okay. We discuss current issues. We discuss current issues. क्या ऐसा daily होता है? क्या ऐसा daily होता है?
Does it happen daily?
Does it happen daily? ना, ऐसा daily नहीं होता है. ऐसा daily नहीं होता है.
It does not happen daily.
It does not happen daily. It does not happen daily. Okay. Debate के दौरान ऐसा होता है.
But while the debate, it happens.
During the debate, not while. It happens during the debate. It happens during the debate. While will come when we talk about any action, when two actions are running together or happening together, then we'll use while. I'll teach you later on about the use of while. Okay. So it happens during the debate. आप debate कब करते हो?
When do you debate?
When do you debate? आप debate करते हो. Debate खुद अपने आप में एक action है, तो उसको direct आप use कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, वाद विवाद करना. When do you debate? Okay. When do you debate? हम हफ्ते में 1-2 दिन कर लेते हैं debate.
We do debate
within a week.
We debate once or twice a week. We debate once or twice a week. चलो अभी debate करते हैं.
So let's debate now.
Let's debate now. क्या आप तैयार हो?
Are you ready?
Are you ready? मैं तो पूर्ण रूप से तैयार हूँ.
I'm ready.
I'm completely ready. I'm completely ready. तो आज का टॉपिक क्या है?
So what is the topic today?
व्हाट इज द
So
टॉपिक
what's the
टुडे?
topic?
आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे क्या बेहतर है, प्रिंट मीडिया और इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीडिया। ये हमारा टॉपिक है।
Today I
Today we will
discuss what is the
discuss
better,
what is the
print media or electric media.
Today we will
media or
discuss on what is better, प्रिंट मीडिया और इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीडिया।
media or electronic media.
तो हमारी प्रैक्टिस यहीं अभी समाप्त होती है। लेट्स फिनिश द प्रैक्टिस। और टॉपिक अनाउंस हो ही चुका है आपके सामने ड्यूरिंग